Hello YouTube, Sam Graham here, and today I'm going to be going over just a very basic programming skills and abilities, uh, and essentially a few do's and don'ts when it comes to creating a file and saving a file and locating the file, sort of, so to speak. We actually will be getting into a little bit of Java today, so you do need to get the JDK, which stands for Java Developers Kit or Development Kit. Essentially what this is, it's the translator between Java language and your computer. So without this, your computer won't know what the heck Java is and won't know what to do with it. But once you get it, you are pretty much set to start programming Java. So I'll have this link in the description below. Essentially, this is just one of the best tutorials I've seen when it comes to installing the JDK. And it's by one of my favorite YouTubers at this moment, The New Boston. He's a awesome programmer and amazing YouTuber. Even I still check out and learn from his videos. So I would highly recommend you doing the same thing as well. Yeah, he's pretty awesome. Anyways, but for this video in itself, it's a little bit outdated, so it won't look like this. When you type in java.sun.com, it will lead you to oracle.com and downloads and then Java SE right there. So get the JDK and install it, and then come back here if you don't already have it right now. Okay, so jumping in, I want to locate my file and where I want to create it. So I want to create it in my Sam Graham file, which I know where it is. So it's in my documents. So CD documents. I'm pressing tab to make it a shortcut. CD, which stands for change directories for those of you who don't know. And then I think it's just right in here. So yeah, I am in that file, and then I'm going to show you that it's empty by typing dir for the directory. And as you can see, there's not really anything in this file, 0 bytes. Yeah, so that's where I want to save my file. So CLS, clear screen. So I want to save it in this area. So opening up Sublime Text, and if you don't already have it, I'll have the link in the description below to save it. But what you want to do, or not save it, but to download it. What you want to do is save as, and see how it already kind of assumed that I was going to save it in here, which I'm almost there, but I don't want it. I don't want it to save it in this file. I want to go to Documents and Sam Graham right here. So if you see the C drive, users, Sam, documents, Sam Graham, it's the same as right here. Let's see. Actually, let's do this. Wait. Oh well. So you get the picture. I'm saving in the right spot. So it's really important that you know where you want to save it and where to locate it when you want to find it, and not just save it like willy-nilly in any file that you want. It's really important for programmers to be organized. And so what I'm going to name this file is name, conveniently, and any Java file that you save, you want to do .java, or else it won't work. Also, if you wanted to, you could just click on this one right here, and that way it's the same difference. It'll both save in name.java. And if I didn't save it, I would type in a keyword like class name, and then the class would be just white like this name. It won't recognize that you're in Java. Another way to do that is to syntax and then Java and select Java, which I'm already in. So this right here is going to be, I'm making my class, and all of Java is programmed in classes, and you could have many classes in one program, but every program needs the main classes, the main class which I'm making right now. And to do that, you need a method header, and for Java it's really standard to do this specific method header, which is not static, but public static void main, and then parentheses, capital S string, and then braces RGS. And that's really really standard method header. I've seen people take this out and put it here, but that's not what my book teaches. So I'm just gonna go with what my book teaches and put it right there. So now we need curly braces again, and inside these two curly braces is going to be my method body. So this is a method header and my method body is here. Your main will always be a method, and you could create other methods and put it in your main, but this is your main method right here. And so since I'm just doing a simple cout statement, I'm just going to type in the very basic System.out.print and then parentheses, quotes, and whatever I want in here. Whatever I want in here. Let's say I'll type in hello YouTube, and then end it with a semicolon. Now make sure to capital the S in system, because it is how the, I think it's a function, but essentially the JDK has a library and it translates to your computer, and this is a part of it. So Java will understand what this means, and basically what it means is print out onto the screen whatever is in here, or in here, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to show you now that I do this. You could actually see it inside the file. So Java C for compile. This is how you compile it in the command prompt, and then type in the file name. But since this is the only file, I can just press tab and it'll pop up. Press enter, and boom, it is compiled. Now to run it, you just type in Java and name without the .java and press enter. And now that is your program. That's what I wanted it to do. So I'm also going to type in dir again, and notice that you do have a class now. And that class essentially is what you run, but you don't type in .class, you just type in name. That's how you do it. Yeah, so that's how you do it in Sublime Text 2. And now I'm going to show you how to do it in a quicker, more efficient way that I would highly recommend to anyone who's doing it. The only reason why I want to do it in Sublime is to show you guys the background in like saving it. It's really important as a programmer to understand that kind of stuff. So you just type in name into your source file by right clicking it, and new, and class. Again, you want all of your Java is going to be programmed in a class. So if you program Java, it's going to be in a class. And so all I have to do really is copy this and put it in here, and I can press this little button, and then it compiles and it runs right there for me. So I don't have to do none of this hard crazy stuff. So essentially Eclipse is a great tool when it comes to Java, and if for any reason you have like an error, like if I've got a semicolon there, it'll tell me system syntax error, insert semicolon to complete the block statement. Okay, boom, and now it's good to go. The public here, opposed to not having one there, is just saying that you have access to this class or method anywhere under samgram in that folder. So either way will work. But essentially that's just all I wanted to go over in this tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions, and as always, just have a great day.